What up, guys? It's your boy King Joffy Joe 413 back with another one.
Hustle. 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 Hustle.
What's going on, guys? How you guys? Hold on. Got a little smudge on the camera. Let me get that real quick.
What up, guys? Y'all see we up in Mark's Motorsports now? Take a look, come a little walk with me, you know what I'm saying? We in Mark's Motorsports. We about to do a quick little unboxing for you guys, you know what I'm saying? We got you know what I'm saying? They hooked us up, some of the new products. So right now we're gonna start off with the Lynx top case. We're gonna show y'all that. We're gonna do the unboxing. We got these 2021 sitting here looking pretty, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Mark's Motorsports. Make sure y'all check out Mark's Motorsports on Instagram, Facebook. Oh, we got the Rykers over here, the 2021s. See, it's clean in here. They actually just did a remodeling like a year ago. So a lot of big things coming, guys. So let's get to this unboxing, right? All right, guys, so right here what we got is the Lynx top case. Can Am Ryker OEM part. We got the part number here. Let me take a look at that because you know we don't want to make sure you guys, if y'all want this. So what we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna do a little unboxing for you. I'm gonna open it up, show you what it looks like, because I haven't seen one of these personally myself. So I was wondering about them because, you know what I'm saying, everyone's making like different things to put on the back of their Rykers. I seen a crate, someone had a crate on the back of their thing. So let's see what Can Am has to offer for us, you know what I'm saying? So how much space it got. It might be something you wanna get because summertime's coming, you know what I'm saying? You're not just going to work and all that. You might wanna go fishing. You might wanna go pick up some brews. You never know. So let's start off with opening it up. Got my trusty key. All right, guys, so as soon as we get in the box, first we got a little bit of packaging, you know what I'm saying? Gotta have your packaging to protect it. Got a cardboard there. We got a little piece of foam. We got our instructions. You don't need me to show you how to do this, right? Because hopefully you watched my last video, the new pads, and I showed you how to do it. So it's basically the same thing. You go to instructions at brp.com and you put in the part number. Showed you the part number. All right, so got some bubble wrap on here. All right, so basically this is not gonna come with that much hardware. Probably not any at all because you have to have the base that goes on the bottom, that it's a fast connect for all the Lynx pieces and stuff. So let's take a look at it. All right, so looking at it, it's like a nice little smooth, like rubber texture kind of thing. Hard shell, nice hard shell, look like it's protective. Open up. So to open, we got just a little clip here. No kind of lock or nothing on here. I'm not seeing no kind of lock. Hit that open. All right, little baggie here. What's this? What's this? Oh. A waterproof baggie. Waterproof protection right there. Little clip. Oh, this is the one you put it like this, then you roll it up, and then you clip it like this. That's gonna make it waterproof. So if you ride it in one of them temperatures, this is pretty big though. This is, I don't think you can fit a helmet in there, but you probably could fit a night or two's worth of clothes, you know what I'm saying, if you're going somewhere on a trip. This is the Lynx system, so you know it's fast release, so you just take the whole thing off and take it inside with you. Yeah, I like this. I actually like this. Oh, so this right here, little screw. That little screw, you always want to make sure you have that because that is how you lock your box on here. So if you're not going to be taking your box on and off and you're going to be putting your case on the bike and leaving it on there for a while, once you put your box, once you put this on there and you lock it here, there's a little hole right here that you put that screw in. Right there on the top, there's a little hole. You put that screw in there and that's going to lock this here so this doesn't unlock, so no one can't take this off. So actually we can actually fit this one on the bike. This one looks like it's not, doesn't take the links top piece. So let's take a look at this. Let's see if we can. All right. All right. Okay. That's on there, nice. That looks good on there, right? So this isn't the one that takes the base. This one fits right on your max mount. Actually, it's pretty nice looking. I think if it's probably kind of like a backrest on here. Oh yeah, that's like a backrest. So if you have one of these, this is gonna double as a backrest for you. So for those long rides, going for a night trip, a little backrest, that's gonna help you keep your posture. Because some of you guys, if you got a Ryker already, you know, some long ride, you start to arch your back and your back starts to hurt. So you start finding yourself like trying to sit up, straighten out your back. But this right here, it's pretty dope. I like this. I like this. But it does say Lynx top case on there. So it looks like they have another option right here. This one is the link case that goes, that takes the bracket that sits on top of your max mount. If you look at the bottom of the difference of this one, it has connectors on both sides. You got one on this side and one on that side for attaching it. So this would be a bigger option, which you would actually have to purchase the bottom first, which makes it compatible with more stuff. But it's a little wider option. Space-wise, I would say they're probably about the same amount of space, seriously. Well, that one actually, the other one might actually have more because how the thing goes up. This one's just like a straight across waterproof thing. That one has like it can bubble over stuff. But that's another option. So if you guys want to see more of this Link stuff, you let me know. And I'll let my boy Devin know, and he'll order it up. Doing the top case bag like we said we was gonna do. We're just gonna show you all the bags we got here. We got another lunch bag here. Look at this Can Am lunch bag. It's like, let's see what they calling this right here. Can Am cooler. That's what they call it, a cooler.
That if you need to go buy some brew.
All right, guys. So this is a size comparisons of the two bags next together. We got the cooler. Cooler has a little front pocket to put a couple things in there. You can see around the edge of the zipper, it has waterproofing over it, so you know the water ain't gonna get inside that zipper. We got a Velcro on the handle. Little tie down thing. Stick something under here. Your tablet. Throw your tablet under there. Something under there. That's pretty cool. Looking at the zipper here around the front, we got more waterproof protection. The size of the zipper is huge. Whoa, that's a huge zipper. Look at it. It's a tight pull too. That's a tight pull. That's a durable zipper. I don't see that zipper breaking. Whoo! The blue? Is that D rolling on 3 blue? Oh, nice little strap. I like this strap. I wish I had this strap. You put it on my drone bag. That's nice. Look like that'd be comfortable on my shoulder. But this right here, I think you could get 2 12 packs in here. I mean 2 6-packs, yeah, 12 pack. Or you can get a couple of those Arizona tees, you know what I'm saying? You gotta smack a dude with it. But maintenance grease, a little bit of grease. I don't know what that's for. You probably have the instruction. Oh, for the zipper up. Zipper grease. Make sure your zippers say greased. I like this too. Huh? Yeah. That's nice. I like that. I like that. I didn't even know I didn't even notice it was out. Marks Motorsports. We got part number right here. Part number right there.
Perfect.
Yes, sir. All right, guys. So that was a little unboxing, little put on the bike real quick of the top case. You guys want to see more unboxings? Let me know down in the comments. I'm gonna show y'all more boxings. Make sure you guys, make sure y'all check out Mike'sMotorsports.com. If you need some parts, you know what I'm saying, you make sure you call them. Give them a call. I'm gonna put the phone number right there. They got 100 parts on order, so you know what I'm saying. They got a lot of parts on order. They about to stock this whole place up with a bunch of parts. So y'all make sure y'all hit up Marks Motorsports. If y'all need something, they waiting for parts to come in. But if you need something, they can get something brought in on a rush. So you call Marks Motorsports up, they'll get it brought in, and they'll send it right out to you. You know what I'm saying? make sure y'all guys, giveaways, we got the giveaways popping, you know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, you know what I'm saying? What else we got? That's about it for now. I guess I'll check y'all on the next one. Peace.